Welcome to MyProjectbazaar.com. Our project title is Efficient Traceable Authorization Search System for Secure Cloud Storage. Abstract. Secure search over the encrypted remote data is crucial in cloud computing to guarantee the data privacy and usability. To prevent unauthorized data usage, fine data access control is necessary in multi-user system. However, authorized user may intentionally leak the secret key for financial benefit. Thus, tracing and revoking the malicious user who abuses secret key needs to be solved immediately. In this paper, we propose a screw-free, traceable, attribute-based multiple keyword subset searching system with verifiable outsourced decryption. The key screw-free mechanism could effectively prevent the key generation center KGC from exceptionally searching and decrypting all encrypting files of users. Also, the decryption process only requires ultra lightweight computation, which is a desirable feature for energy limited devices. In addition, efficient user revocation is enabled after the malicious user is figured out. Moreover, the proposed system is able to support flexible number of attributes rather than the polynomial bounded. Flexible multiple keyword subset search pattern is realized, and the change of the query keyword order does not affect the search result. Security analysis indicates the proposed is probably secure. Efficient analysis and experiment results shows our proposed system improves the efficiently and greatly reduces the computation overheads of users' terminals. Let us see the flow of our project. This is our flow diagram. So our process have three phases, which is a user, data owner, and the cloud. The user have the permission to upload and secure searching process. For doing this, we have to enter, that is register first. The registration user list, that is UL, is requested to data owner. Then the data owner create the UL algorithm, which is requested to storing the data to the cloud. So once they have to finish the UL list stored in cloud, then the user is allowed to the login process. Then the user is allowed here. Then the upload file will be requested. So the upload file will be requested to the data owner. Once the data owner get the corresponding mail ID of the user, then they have to process that mail ID correspond with that uploaded file. So then next the user will send the ACP, that is access control policy, with their own attribute sets. So if they given attribute set as user ID, designation, and department wise, what they have to enter means these informations are encrypted and which will be stored in the cloud. Also the keyword set encrypted ACP plus the data will be stored, which is in the encrypted format. So this KGC, that is the index, is generated by the KGC. So KGC is responsible for creating the UL user list as well as the index. So then once the data is stored, it means the user can search their uploaded file using the ACP. Then if the user search the file depends upon the their query, means this will be directly retrieved from the cloud. This not included by the data owner. So once they have to enter this query, means it will be sent to the cloud. The cloud matches the file with their corresponding ACP. If the ACP is not match greater than 5 count means the user will be identified as the writer and the login will be blocked. Then the user can't able to download, upload and log into their account. Let us see the output of our project. First we have to run our user. So for that I am giving index.java. So run this file. So first, if the user are new means we have to register first. So now I am giving the registration details. The name is Ria and the password is, and the mail ID is ria@gmail.com. Designation is programmer. The department is CS or anything. So the company is like EER company. So employee ID is generated randomly. So once we have to click this register means it will be go for the data owner request. So the data owner will generate the create UL algorithm. So now the email ID will get, so ria@gmail.com is get here via the socket connection. So now I am going to get the key using KGC, that is key generation center. So click on this. So stored in cloud means it will be stored in cloud, which is in the WAMP server. So this is our process which is stored in the cloud. The next process is to I am going to log in to their account. So give ria@gmail.com and the password. So it will be move on to login. So now I'm going to upload the file. So choose any files like PPT, PDF. So any file will be accepted here. So now I'm going to give document file, open. So this is our access control policy which contains 4 number of attribute sets. So we have to, I am setting 1 to first 3 as the attribute set for this particular file. So view means the document will be viewed here. So now I'm going to click request means it will be get request from the data owner. So for that we have to run data owner.java, owner encrypt. Yeah, owner encrypt.java will be run. So I am getting the mail ID here. So request finished. Then I am going to upload the file. So receive means it will be get the original file and the converted file for the storing in cloud under the access control policy attribute sets. So now I'm going to click encrypt means the data which is sent by the user will be encrypted and read by here. So I am read the data, so this will be encrypted. Now I'm going to store in cloud. So click this store in cloud and we have to get the response from the cloud via socket. So grant means the user mail ID Ria and the access control policy also encrypted because of the cloud will encrypt the data. So for that we have to encrypt both data. So this will be the key index value. So now I am going to searching the keyword. So for that giving our mail ID and password. This is for download. So now I'm going to secure search. So my file is this doc.txt. So now I'm going to click download means it will be downloaded. So now existingly I am giving department company name as my access control policy. When I am clicking this, if I am clicking in wrongly another one means it will be give the writer warning. So now I'm going to search, then I am going to run the cloud. So receive the data. So the access control policy also displayed here. So retrieve the writer because I am giving the false value. So send means if I am receiving this into here means get means the writer warning may be arrived. So if I am going to give the correct one, so now I am going to give the correct one for cloud. So this will be received, retrieve. So no writer is identified because I am giving the correct value. If I am going to click send means get. So that value is get and the encrypted data is get here. So click decrypt means the original data will be decrypted here. If I am going to do this particular thing greater than 5 times means the writer will be obtained. So now I am going to uh, do that. So I am giving the wrong value here. So to then then receive retrieve. So secondly the writer will be identified. Then I am going to send. Now I am going to give 4 repeatedly. The writer will be identified in third time. Now I am going to give like this one. Fourthly the data will be identified. Now I am going to give the fifth one. Fifth time the writer will be identified. So fifth time I am going to give 4 times it will be arrived. So now I am going to give the fifth time. For that I am going to run the index. So this is for fifth time writer identification, gmail.com. So login means it will be goes on secure search. Now I'm going to search the value, but this is the writer because I'm giving wrongly. So retrieve so the writer identified for writer identification. So give our login ID Ria at gmail.com. Please Ria. The password will be logged in. Now I am going to run for a writer identification. For that, clicking index. So now the same user is login. So login means it will be matched, then secure search will be identified. Now I am going to same download. If I am giving the wrong attribute set to search means now I am going to run the cloud. So receive that and retrieve the value. So writer identified, send. Then I am going to get the value means warning. So I am not allowed to decrypt or download. So search. So if everything will be access denied. So if I am going to click the writer or anything means it will be blocked. Like get. So writer will be identified, send. If I am getting this means it will be logged. So now I am going to log in Ria means it will be given as the writer. So access denied will be given. So now I am going to log on to the user Ria at gmail.com RRR. So login means the access will be denied. So this user will be identified as the writer. Thank you for watching.